Busiho. Total weight loss of 6.8. Our second finalist. Second finalist, Happy Bagyuhan of Philips RMO. A total weight loss of 7.3 kilos. Our third finalist, from the office of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, Atty. Romelie Cavite. With a total weight loss of 8.7 kilos. Our fourth finalist. Our fourth finalist from Provincial Youth Development Division, Maria Victoria Cardinales. With a total loss in kilos, 9.4 kilos. Our fifth finalist from PGSO Division with a total weight loss of 8.3, Bernadette Diaz. Our sixth finalist from Bukidnon Provincial Medical Center, Miss Karen Raquel Inbodo, with a total weight loss of 5 kilos. Our seventh finalist also from BPMC, Miss Jeanette Pindoy, with a total weight loss of 8.2 kilos. Our eighth finalist from the Provincial Agriculture Office, Miss Nova Larry Tinonta, with a total weight loss of 7.5 kilos. Our ninth finalist is from Bukidnon Provincial Medical Center, Miss Marino Rivera, with a total weight loss of 11.1 kilos. Our 10th finalist is from the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office, Miss Elaine Zaira Sali, with a total weight loss of 6.4 kilos.
I didn't see the beat, walking down the street in my new free. This is how I roll, and I'm plant pants out of my shoes. It's real cool with the big ass.
So these are the 10 semi-finalists from the women category. Next will be our main challengers. First is from PSWDO, Mr. Saul Estrada, with a total weight loss of 10.1 kilos. Our second semi-finalist from the men category, from PSWDO, Mr. Saddam R.C. Francis, with a total weight loss of 3.6 kilos. Our third finalist, semi-finalist, is from PPMIT, Mr. John Nathaniel Medado. Our fourth finalist is from the office of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, Mr. J. Lumigpin, with a total weight loss of 4.3 kilos.